Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Tech Jefe, and did you guys just build a PC and want to put Windows 11 on it? Well, this video is a video for you then, because today I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to make a bootable Windows 11 USB. So let's get right into it. Okay, real quick, before I show you guys how to make the bootable Windows 11 USB, there are some system requirements that your PC has to make. Okay, so first you need to have 64-bit architecture at 1 GHz or faster, at least 4 GB of RAM. You need to have 64 GB of storage or more. So this, I kind of don't see a problem for most people. I would assume your PC has more than 64 GB of storage because you won't be able to do much on it. Your computer needs to be secure boot capable. Your motherboard has to be capable of TPM 2.0. You might have to do a little bit of digging to figure out whether your computer has TM 2.0 or not. I feel like this is going to make it a lot harder for people to switch to Windows 11. Okay, so now once you figured out your computer is capable of Windows 11, let's go to your web browser. In my case, it'll be Google Chrome. So go ahead and open it, and you'll want to Google Rufus. So once you Googled Rufus, it should be the first link that pops up. Go ahead and click on it. Okay, so now you're at their site. We're going to scroll down to where it says download. And under that, you'll see the last updated version. In my case, it'll be Rufus 3.15. Go ahead and click on that, and it'll start downloading. So once it starts downloading, go ahead and click on it and open it up and install it. Okay, so now since you have Rufus installed, you want to go down to my description, and I'll have a link down below for the ISO file install. So go ahead and download the ISO, and once you have it downloaded, you want to open up Rufus if you don't already have it open. Real quick, it will show you multiple devices if you have more than one USB plugged in that you can choose to make your bootable USB. But in my case, I only have one, so go ahead and stick with it. Now, right down here, it will have a few options. It might say, might be on not bootable, might be on FreeDOS, but you're gonna wanna be on disk or ISO image. Okay, so to the right of that, you'll see this button that says select. Go ahead and click on that. Now you wanna go ahead and navigate to your ISO file and go ahead and click on it, and it'll open it up. And you shouldn't have to change anything down here. It should all be set for you. Now under formatting options, there's where it says volume label. This will be the name of the bootable USB. You can change this if you want, it won't hurt anything. I'm gonna go ahead and name it bootable Windows 11 USB just for the sake of this video. The file system will be FAT32. Now that after you named your USB, everything should be already set. Now, before you go in and click start to make the bootable Windows 11 USB, make sure you have nothing else on that USB because it will reformat the whole USB. Everything that you have on it will be erased. So I'll put that in a safe location. I would put it on another drive or on the computer you're making the Windows USB on. Then go ahead and click start. It will prompt you with a warning saying that the data will be erased. I just explained that to you guys, so go ahead and click OK. And now it's making the bootable Windows 11 USB. That's it. After this is done, you have your Windows 11 USB. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button, get subscribed. Also, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.